Blue Lock chapter 315 is finally here, and bro, this one was straight fireworks. Bachira's out here breaking ankles, Ryo just unlocked Ultra Instinct copy mode, and we even got Ryu and Nico flexing brand new upgrades. Japan versus Nigeria is heating up, and this might just be the deadliest attacking formation we've seen yet. Let's dive in. The chapter opens with the crowd going insane. Goal, 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 goal. Bachira, Bachira, Bachira. My boy Meguru just dribbled past two aces and scored the opener. They're literally calling him Japan's new king of dribbling. Standing ovation moment. And the way the panel's drawn, bro looks like he just pulled off peak Neymar sauce in real life. We cut back 44 days before the World Cup and see Bachira teaching kids how to juggle. Cute moment, but it actually sets up his mindset. He realizes what's natural to him isn't normal to everyone else. That's his ego, turning dribbling into something only he can do. And he flat out says, I'll become number one in the U20 World Cup. Onazi in the background just hits him with the awesome, peak wholesome vibes. But Nigeria ain't staying quiet. Kuso rallies his squad. Let's get it back. Bello screams, time to counter-attack. Obuabona charges, and Onazi just tells the whole squad, believe in me. Like bros out here sounding like Captain America. Kuso takes control as midfield axis, but his strategy is simple. Keep the ball away from Isagi and funnel it into Onazi. If that isn't respect, I don't know what it is. Then out of nowhere, Ryu steps up. Yes, that Ryu. He's like, in 14 days, I've unlocked a new secret technique. And man pulls out Judo's Mai, reading distance and timing from subtle body movement. Basically, he's predicting attacks like he downloaded observation haki overnight. He even calls it body martial arts. Onazi tries to brute force past him, but Ryu clamps him, charging straight through. Not today, big man. Ryu is standing on business. And then Nico arrives with the coldest line. The pass wasn't good. If you hesitate, your intentions get exposed. Bro's built like a compact tank now. Kuso even panics. He's short, but his muscle mass is insane. Nico's literally bullying him physically and outsmarting him. Ego flashback hits too. Nico Ikki, your brain is excellent. Match it with your body. Nico just says, I trained like crazy. Respect. He shuts down the counter and flips it. Is it okay to leave this place empty? Cold. Man's moving like a ghost defender and mastermind rolled into one. Ryo pulls up right behind him. Nice one, Nico-chan. And then peak Ryo energy. Go chameleon. Kuso's like, wait, not Isagi as the starting point? He's building an all directions passing formation? And then it happens. Ryo copies Bachira. He straight up says, the creative heart egoist. Bachira looks at him like, copy complete. Double trouble unlocked. The chapter ends with absolute madness. Bachira goes, let's go, buzz buzz. And Ryo responds, double Bachira formation. Kuso can't believe it. What is that? Narration hits. Dancing like bees, stinging like butterflies. Japan's proud new form of attack. Bro, Ryo and Bachira together, that's nightmare fuel for any defense. So where does this go? If this combo sticks, Japan's attack is unguardable. Passing webs from Ryo, dribbling chaos from Bachira. It's like Messi paired with Prime Modric. But Nigeria is not cooked yet. Onazi hasn't even unleashed fully. And Kuso's already recalculating like Tony Stark in his head. Also shout out to Ryu and Nico. Loki the defensive MVPs this chapter. They're finally shining. But the real kicker, the chapter ends with the classic tease. To be continued in I'm Here. And the best part, no break next week. We're eating again immediately. And you all know that means invest immediately in Ryo and Bachira stocks. That's it for chapter 315. Absolute banger. Bachira proves he's him. Nico and Ryu flex upgrades. And Ryo's copy ability just went wild. We are literally in the robbery arc. Blue Lock stealing the spotlight, play by play. What do you guys think? Who scores next? Isagi, Ryo, or does Nigeria clap back with Onazi? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, sub for more weekly reviews and I'll catch you all in the next one. Till then, keep chasing your egos.